Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about what to do after a maritime accident according to a maritime injury lawyer. Maritime accidents are events that no one expects to happen. Despite always taking the necessary precaution to prevent them, you can be operating a tugboat, working dredging vessels, or just going on leisurely boat ride. Accidents can happen on any of these vessels. When they do occur, a lot of seamen simply do not know what to do. Quite understandably, some might even go into a panic, especially if they have suffered critical injuries. But this is actually a time to think logically and act fast so that you can get the appropriate compensation for all the injuries that you have suffered. And then the next is, what are the steps to take after an accident at sea? Offshore injury are not unheard of, and some can be really serious or even fatal. If you find yourself a victim of a maritime accident that leaves you with any kind of injuries, you have to do what you can in order to get financial compensation for your injuries. This will not undo the accident, but it can certainly help a lot in covering your medical expenses, maintaining your quality of life, or simply getting by during the period that you are unable to work because of the injury. Get immediate medical treatment. Regardless of the nature or severity of the injury, it is very important to have a doctor check you as soon as possible. Even if you do not feel anything amiss, you have to seek treatment because there might be underlying injuries that you are not yet aware of. These steps is very important for your own health and safety. But in addition, the medical findings will also be helpful when it is time to file for your compensation. And then let your employer know the accident. Your employer or immediate supervisor must be informed right away if any accident occurs on board the vessels. If the resulting injuries are very severe, the other crew members should see to it that they let the employer know immediately of what happens. As soon as possible, the entire incident should also be formally reported to the employer in writing. Again, this will be included in the documentation necessary when filing for damages. And then gather all documents. Getting proper medical treatment should be given top priority. Once this has been taken care of, you need to gather all the relevant documents that have to do with the accident and your injury. Compile all your medical records, the written narrative of the events, and any other evidence that can help your maritime attorney build a strong case for you. It is also very helpful to take photos of the location of the accident, preferably at the soonest possible time after the accident has taken place. Witness accounts in the form of signed documents or video recording will also be of a great help. Do not talk to anyone other than your lawyer. This is very important. If you say anything at all, the lawyers of the opposing party might find a way to use it against you and might cause you to lose your case. It is particularly crucial not to agree to any settlement that the insurance company or the opposing lawyers might offer you. Most importantly, never sign anything without the express instruction of your trusted maritime lawyer. affixing your signature on any document offered by these entities will most likely reduce the compensation that you can receive. The next is follow the advice of your lawyer. Once you have hired your own maritime injury attorney, you have to trust them and follow all their advice and instruction because they know exactly how to handle cases like yours. But, of course, you need to be able to find a lawyer that you can trust to do right by you when you file your compensation case. What should I consider when finding a maritime injury lawyer? First, you need to select a maritime accident attorney who is an expert in the particular kind of accident that you have suffered. You should also choose one that have a high familiarity and experience in the location of the accident. The reason for this is that different states have specific maritime laws, other than those stated in the Jones Act, which apply to all states. It is also vital that you pick a maritime injury lawyer that will be able to handle your case with both competence and compassion. Suffering an injury from a maritime accident is not only a huge physical challenge, but it can also cause a lot of mental, emotional, and psychological trauma. You also need to know that there is a time limit for filing for compensation. It is usually 2 years after the accident has taken place, but the exact deadline might vary across different locations. This is one of the things that you can consult with your lawyer. And then what makes O'Brien Maritime Lawyers as one of the maritime attorney in Texas worth to consider, different from the rest? Here at O'Brien Maritime Lawyers, we completely understand how difficult it is to be dealing with injuries, while having to go through a legal battle for damages at the same time. That is why we make sure to fight for you and your rights to the best of abilities so that we can win the biggest compensation possible for you. We also take care of all the legal matters for you, from gathering documents to negotiating with the other party, so that you can just take it easy and focus on recovering from your injuries. Our team of highly competent and extensively experienced lawyers have a proven track record of winning big in all the maritime injury cases that we have handled. No matter what kind of injury has befallen you in the line of duty, we guarantee that we will obtain for you the highest amount in damages that is legally possible for your particular injury. It also does not matter what kind of boat you were on or what kind of injury you have suffered. We are here for you. If you need to know more, just fill up the form on the website that O'Brien Maritime Lawyer has, and they will schedule a free consultation for you as soon as possible. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need information about maritime topics, you are in the right channel. Why is that so? Because in this channel we talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And then do the same thing if you have a question, guys. You can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. Don't forget to also share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics. For example, maybe they need information about the Jones Act, about LHWCA, or about Death on a High Seas Act, and so many other information about maritime topics. When you share this video to them, it means you already helped them to get through their problems. I think that's all the information that I can share to you. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in another video, guys.